This is another tutorial on how you can use the Smokeless Range setup and their camera to use other simulators, and this one will be using some of the stuff from iMarksman. So if you've seen the one with the shooting stock, it's pretty much the same routine. If you haven't, then it's new to you. So normally with your Smokeless Range, when you start it up, you want to calibrate your camera. Since the camera hasn't moved any at all, then I just get to use the previous setup. You might go. Goes through its light detection. Alright, so once it's finished all that, then you can either hit your start button, or if you do not have a start button, you can also hold down your control key and hit the escape button, and it will bring up your start menu. And then you just go to one of the programs that you want to start using. We'll start off with Fast Draw, and then we'll go or do another one on the Scholastic shooting. And this one just came right up. On the shooting stock, I went to the background. And if it goes to the background, I think this one just did, you could just click on your start menu and then look for it down here at the bottom. You know it opens, so just go ahead and click on it and select it to bring it to front. And now you can start using it. So let's start using some of the Fast Draw, and then we'll jump into the Scholastic shooting using the same routine of hitting your start menu and selecting the program.
Here we go, shooters on the line. Shooters, sit. Here we go, shooters on the line. Shooters, sit. Here we go, shooters on the line. Shooters, sit. Are you ready? Stand by. Are you ready? Stand by. Are you ready? Stand by. Are you ready? Stand by.
So that concludes using our Smokeless Range setup with a different simulator from iMarksman, to be able to still practice and use their products, but also still utilizing the camera and calibration software from Laser Ammo Smokeless Range to be able to not have multiple cameras set up or have multiple things to manage. You could still use Smokeless Range setup with any other simulator.